Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the email address of your WordPress website. So as you know that when you change the email address from the settings option of your website, then it takes a lot of time to come the confirmation email. Let me show you the demo. When I go to my dashboard and just go to settings, and here is my email. Suppose I want to change this email to something like info@kodilearn.com. Then I can just rename it to anything that I like. And I can go to down and just click on save settings. But the main problem is that it will say there is a pending change of the email to this. But when I go to check my email, I will not find any email or confirmation email to change this email. It takes a lot of time sometimes and it rarely comes to you. And it happened me a lot of time and I have never get any email confirmation to change this email. So I'm going to tell you the easiest way to change this here. There are lots of methods to change this. One of the popular method is to use any other plugins. Or there is another one method going to the MySQL database and changing the stuffs there. But as you know, if you change really something that affect the website, then it can create a lot of problems and bugs in your website. So I do not recommend you to go to the dashboard and change the stuffs because that can create another problem to you and you need to fix that too. So I'm going to tell you one easiest method from the settings, but you do not need to do any confirmation email. So I'm going to just click on this cancel button because I'm not going to do this with this method. So for this, you need to go to the settings, just go to general, and here in the URL bar, you can see my website.com/wp-admin/options/general.php. Here as you can see here it is telling options-general means all the options are hidden from here. Those are advanced option. Only those general options are shown here. So I'm going to tell you how you can get those advanced options and change the site email easily. Just change this general option from the URL bar and press enter. And just be sure there is only wp-admin/options.php. You can see that it is very long page and it has so many options that I think you should not change any of them because it may create something in your website or something it may change or it may create a lot of other problems to you. So I do not recommend you to change these options. So I'm going to tell you how you can change the email only from here. So for that you need to search your email. Suppose my old email is this and you will get this here. So I'm going to change this to, I want to tell that this is not my real email address. There is no any email address. This is just for testing purpose. After you do not do anything here. Otherwise it may create some problem in your site. And just go down and just click on save changes. As you can see here it is telling settings saved. And here it is telling me one warning that this page allows direct access to your site settings. You can break things here. So be sure that you do not change all the other options because it may create other problems and may break your site. So when I go to general settings, you can see that my email address is changed and I do not need to do any email confirmation for that. You can use any other third-party plugins to do that also. If you try to do risk, then you can just go to the main options.php of your site and do that. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more videos related to WordPress, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.